Today we're looking at order of operations again. How do I apply the order of operations is our essential question. My learning intention. I'm learning to apply the rules of order of operations to solve problems. You've got 2 warm-up questions. Pause the video and see if you can complete them now. So, as I'm looking, there's different ways you can do these. Number 1, it's easiest if you change them into improper fractions. So if I'm doing that, I've got to remember I multiply and then I add. I multiply and then I add. So looking at this, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. This is 13 over 5 plus 10 times 4 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47 over 10. Now, I still have a problem because I've got to have that same denominator. But I know that if I multiply 5 by 2, I get 10. So I can make both of these over 10. 13 over 5 equals what over 10? What I do to my denominator, I have to do to the numerator. 5 times 2 is 10. 13 times 2 is 26. So 26 over 10 plus 47 over 10 is equal to, so 26 plus 47, if it was 25 and 45, it would be 70, but I've got 3 more, so it's 73 over 10. Okay, 73 over 10 is a perfectly good number. But if I wanted to change it to the mixed number, 73 divided by 10 is 7. I've got my remainder of 3, so this would be 7 and 3/10. And I'm done. Same thing again on the other one. I'm going to change to that mixed number. I multiply and then I add. Multiply, then add. Four times 10 is 40, plus 3 is 43. 43 over 4 minus 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39 over 8. Now what? Well, I know that 4 times 2 is 8, so I can change both of them into 8s. 43 over 4 is equal to what over 8? Remember, I have to multiply by 2, numerator and denominator, to make them equal. 43 times 2 is 86. So 86 over 8 minus 39 over 8 is equal to, well, 86 minus 39, got to carry the 1 over here. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4, so this is equal to 47 over 8. 47 over 8 is a perfectly fine number. But if I want to make it into a mixed number, 47 divided by 8, well, it will go into 48, that'd be 6 times, but it only goes in 5 times, which is 40. I've got that 7 remainder, so this is 5 and 7 over 8. 5 and 7/8. So Hopefully this is kind of a good review. We need to keep working with fractions till we get more comfortable with them. But now let's go into what we're looking at today. We're looking at order of operations. If you look at it, PEMDAS is the acronym we use. All order of operations is, it tells us in what order we perform our operations, our mathematical operations. The mathematical operations are add, subtract, multiply, divide, exponents, and parentheses. Exponents and parentheses are not operations, but they're also brought into how we solve problems. So first thing you do is to look at your equation. 2 times 6 plus 7 times 4. Do I have any parentheses? No. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? I've got multiplication. So I do the multiplication first. Now these are separated with a plus, so I can do them both at the same time. 2 times 6 is 12. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, do I have any more multiplication or division? No. Addition is the last thing. So 12 plus 28, that would be 30, plus 10 would be 40. And I'm done. Okay, looking at the next one. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes. So which one do we see first? We see the multiplication. 8 minus does not change. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 15 divided by 3. Okay, I've done the first multiplication. Do I have any more multiplication or division? Yes. 15 divided by 3. That's what I have to do next. 8 minus 6 plus 15 divided by 3 is 5 equals. Okay, I've gone all the way through here. Do I have addition or subtraction? Yes. Which one do I do first? Whichever one comes first in the equation. So the 8 minus 6 comes first. 8 minus 6 is 2. Plus 5 is equal to 7. So as we're going through all these problems, we're going to go through each of these steps, each of these levels, and see which one we do first. Which do we do first? Which do we do second? And so forth. Okay, remember, parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. Looking at this, do I have any parentheses? Yes. That tells me what I'll do first. I'll work with the parentheses first. So I've got 2 sets of parentheses. Three. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 times 9 minus 15. You notice how I just quickly bring down the numbers and the parts of the equation that are not affected. 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, I've done my parentheses. Do I have exponents? No. Multiply or divide? Well, I've got 2 sets of multiplications. So I'll multiply next. 3 times 9 is 27. Minus 15 times 2 is 30. Okay, now, do I have any more multiplication or division? No. Add or subtract? I need to subtract. 27 minus 30 is negative 3. Starting at 27, I go 30 to the left. I end up at negative 3. Okay, for the next one, step 1, look for your parentheses. Are there any parentheses? Yes, I have parentheses. That's what I have to do first. 2, and then in parentheses, 5 plus 1 is 6, squared minus 10. Okay, I've still got parentheses, but there's nothing I can simplify inside of them. So I'm done with my parentheses. Do I have exponents? Yes. I have the exponent of a 2, so that means I'm going to do the exponent next. 6 times 6 is 36. So this is 2 times 36 minus 10. Multiplication or division? I've got multiplication. Okay, 2 times 36. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this is 72 minus 10. 72 minus 10 is 62, and we are done. If you have any questions, pause the video and watch it again. Okay, step 1. Do I have any parentheses? No. Do I have any exponents? Yes. So 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25. Minus 10 times 6 divided by 3. Do I have any more exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Well, I have both. Which one do I do first? I do the one that I see first in my equation. 25 minus 10 times 6 is 60, divided by 3. Do I have any more multiplication or division? Yes. So 25 minus 60 divided by 3 is 20, and I end up with 5. Okay, the last one has a lot of involvement there, a lot of things to think about. Pause the video. See if you can do that one on your own. If you can, that means you're understanding the process. Remember, parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. Pause the video, look up to the top of the page if you're in doubt about what to do next. Well, I do hope you tried to do it on your own. As I'm looking, do I have parentheses? Yes. You always do the parentheses first. Negative 5 times 6 divided by 2 plus 4 squared divided by 8 minus 4 is 4 equals. Okay. Do I have any more parentheses? No. Do I have an exponent? Yes. Exponents come next. Negative 5 times 6 divided by 2 plus 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 4 equals. Okay, do I have any more exponents? No. Do I have multiply or divide? Well, I've got both. I do it in the order I see it. So I'll start with negative 5 times 6. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30, divided by 2 plus 16 divided by 4. Do I have any more multiplication or division? Well, yeah, I've got both. I do it in the order I see it. Negative 30 divided by 2 is negative 15. Plus 16 divided by 4 equals. Any more multiplication or division? Yep. Negative 15 plus 16 divided by 4 is 4. I'm starting at negative 15. I go 4 units to the right, and I end up at negative 11. Is that what you got? Well, I hope so. If not, back the video up and see where you look at your problem. Look at this that we've done together and identify your mistake. That will help you learn more and quicker than anything else. I know I'm successful when I can apply the order of operations. I'm just going to put PEMDAS down here. And now it's time to practice using it.